Alright guys, and welcome to today's video. So on today's video guys, we are going to be talking about the Beamable network airdrop. Alright, so this airdrop is totally free, meaning that you don't need to spend a dime to participate on it, and it could make you a potential $500 to $1,000 depending on how early and how much effort that you put on it. So this price is actually be on the Solana blockchain. Right now guys, I'm going to be giving you the full detailed guide on how you can be able to position yourself for this airdrop and get the reward that is coming very soon. So the first question is actually, what is Beamable? So Beamable actually raised about $13.5 million, and Beamable is actually an open extensive game server platform that lets you create online game and virtual world in minutes, write game server code in C# and rapidly prototype a functional online game in minutes that can scale to millions of players. All right, so this is the simple given definition of what Beamable is all about, but our interest right here is how we can be able to position for the airdrop that is coming and be able to make some fortune out of this project. So without wasting time guys, let's now go ahead and dive in. So the link to this airdrop is already dropped on the video description box, so check out the video description box to get the link that's going to be taking you to this airdrop guys. So without wasting time, let's now get started. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, we are heading to 10,000 subscribers, so simply go ahead and subscribe and like this video you are watching right now, so that you'll be updated regularly on all things crypto airdrop. All right, so right now let's get started immediately. The first thing you need to do once you get right here is to simply read up all this right now. You can see they said right here, to join Beamable network, enter your email. This experience is better on PC. First thing we need to do is to simply go ahead and enter our email right here. Okay, you enter our email, then you click on verify email. Over here right now on my email, this is it right here. I will click on secure login right now, and over here right now you can see they say verification complete. Right now I need to insert my username right here. Okay, I will simply insert my username immediately, and once I insert my username, then I will click on enter Beamable network community hub. I will click on it right now, and immediately I'm going to be taken into the main page that is on my own dashboard. Okay, you scroll up until you see here that we have get started right here. You see get started, you click on get started. All right, so immediately you click on get started right now, it's going to be loading up and going to be showing you a list of things that you can actually do right now before you get started immediately with this project airdrop. Okay, so coming over here right now, you can see that we have a lot of tasks that you need to complete right here before you can go ahead and claim this little NFT like something right here. Okay, so I guess you need to go ahead and connect your Twitter account, and of course go ahead and follow them on X, share the Twitter announcement and a lot of things right here. So simply go ahead and do them before you can then claim your onboarding reward right now. So immediately, without wasting time, let me go ahead and do all of them real quick. Okay, and right now immediately I have been able to complete all this quest right here. So I will click on claim reward right now. So I need to click on claim reward one more time. I will click on it. Okay, you can see right now I've just claimed my reward. That is my onboarding reward, so I will close this immediately. So you click on home right now, you are going to be taken to the home page, and from there we are going to be taking our next steps toward participating and qualifying properly for this airdrop. Okay, so coming over here right now to the home page, there's something very important that you need to do. Okay, so what you need to do from here, simply click over here on this three line. You can see these three dots rather. You click over here on these three dots, then you select desktop site. You put it on desktop site so that you will get a better view of this whole website. Okay, then the next thing you need to do is simply scroll down from on your toolbar. Then you need to turn on the auto rotation so that you can be able to put your phone on the landscape mode just like this. Okay, so right now putting your phone on the landscape mode, you can see that we now have this dashboard right here. It is now showing, and over here right now you can see we are now having a broader view of every single thing. So the first thing you need to do is simply go ahead and click on start like this. Clicking on start right now, this is going to be bringing you to the task that we have already completed. So the next thing you need to do is simply click on POG free NFT. You click on POG free NFT. So this is actually a task that we are required to complete, and over here right now you can see we have POG free NFT. You click on it right now, and of course you can see you need to complete a quest before you can actually claim this voucher. You click on POG quest, and over here on POG quest you can see that we have some stuff right here. For example, you need to follow them on Twitter and all that, but I can't really see this clearly. I think this is blocking my view somehow. So we are now having this right here. Okay, so what you need to do from here is simply go ahead and follow these on Twitter. Just click on this. You are going to be taken to Twitter, where you need to follow them on Twitter and then claim your points from there. You click on follow on Twitter right now. You are going to be taken to Twitter, where you need to give this POG a follow. You click on follow right now. Then you go back to the page where we were actually completing all the airdrop, and coming back right now, you need to click on confirm. Okay, once you click on confirm right now, you're going to be clicking on claim reward right now, and immediately you click on claim reward, you are going to be claiming 500 points and of course 1 Beamable voucher access. So you close this right now. Closing this, you need to click over here on voucher claim, and clicking on voucher claim right now, you can see that you can see all voucher have been claimed, meaning that we have now actually missed this opportunity. We have no voucher to claim right here. So what I need to do from now is simply go back like this, and of course over here guys, we have the invite right here. Of course, you know what happens on the invite. Over here on the invite, simply need to copy your invite code and then share it with your friend, because anybody that you refer into this, you know, Beamable network airdrop, you actually get a point for doing that. And over here we have endpoints right here, and coming over here to the endpoints, we have quest and we have the dailies. Okay, so over here on quest, you are required to only, you know, complete some certain quests, like retweeting a tweet on Twitter, and also, you know, getting to follow some certain people and all that. And each quest that you complete, you are entitled to get 50 points. Okay, so right now guys, we have the daily. So over here on the daily, this is where you do your daily check-in. So over here, every single time that you log in, you need to come over here to actually claim your daily check-in. So that is how simple it is, and from every daily check-in that you claim, you get 100x point. Okay, so right now guys, let's now go back like this, and going back right now, you can see this is where we have the leaderboard, and finally we have this points showing up right here. This is where your points are showing, and this is where your referral are counting. All right, so this is the simple information that you need to have off head concerning this project. Okay, so make sure to join this project, because it is a very good one and they are trustworthy. And of course, remember, more information concerning this project is going to be shared. All right, so it is going to be shared, and of course we are going to be letting you know what's up on our Telegram and also on our YouTube channel. So make sure you are following us back to back, so that on each update you will be known, you will be notified about it. So thank you for watching the video. If you have any question, let me have it on the comment section, and do not forget to like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys on the next video dropping very soon.